Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a Ninja Foodi Mississippi pot roast. Now this one is going to be one that your whole family really loves, trust me. Let's get started with cooking this pot roast. So for the pot roast, you're going to need the following ingredients. First, you're going to need olive oil, 3-pound beef chuck roast, half a cup of water and pepperoncini juice, 4 pepperoncini peppers, 1 ranch packet, 1 brown gravy packet, make that gluten-free if needed, and 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. Now let's get on to a quick tip that I have for you. If you're using a Ninja Foodi, pour the olive oil in and then use a brush to brush it around the pot of the Ninja Foodi. That's a little bit easier than just pouring it in and having it gather on the sides. The next thing you'll do is sear the roast on each side for about 2 minutes using the saute function on high heat. Just about 2 to 3 minutes on each side to get it nice and browned and ready to cook. Now once you have that done, go ahead and add the water and the pepperoncini juice into the pot of the Ninja Foodi. This gives it the liquid it needs for the pressure cooker function. Now that that's done, you're going to add your ranch seasoning packet, followed by the brown gravy packet right on top of the roast. Now, if needed, remember to use gluten-free brown gravy packet if you are needing that for this particular recipe. Once that's done, go ahead and top it with the peppers, and then you're going to go ahead and add the butter right in the middle. Now that that's complete, you have everything in the pot of the Ninja Foodi. You're going to take the lid that comes separately with the Ninja Foodi, it's the pressure cooker lid, and secure that on top of the pot of the Ninja Foodi. Once you have it secured, go ahead and press the nozzle over to seal, and you're going to cook this on manual pressure on high for 1 hour or 60 minutes. Once it completes cooking, you're going to go ahead and let it naturally release, which means you do nothing for 20 minutes. Once that's up, go ahead and move the nozzle over to vent, and then you will go ahead and open up the lid and have a great roast ready to serve. Now remember, you can add a little bit of cornstarch to that leftover liquid once you pull your roast out, and you can make a great gravy to top over the roast or over mashed potatoes if you prefer. But this roast is going to be delicious and it will be a favorite. Now remember too, when making this, that the peppers are not spicy. So it's just giving it flavor, not spice or heat. Now you can grab this full recipe over on mommyhatescooking.com. Join me again for another great recipe next time.